Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix power management tab missing in Windows 10 and 11. So guys, very easy. First really go to start, type here REGE, open registry editor, click on HK local machine, click on system, click on current control set, click on control, click on power and right click anyway. CS enable, double click, validate as 0, click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix power management tab missing in Windows 10 and 11 after restart your PC. Thank you for watching this video.